Hi guys, my name is Santa Sagaro. I'm a single mom based in Dublin, and this is my budget. Yeah. I am also a budget coach and a money coach. I am the founder of the budgetmindsetclub.com, which is a shop that shares all the tools that you see before you, the envelopes, the pen, and the planner. What I want to do today is I want to show you my cash stuffing, and I'll be stuffing 205 in my cash envelopes. 35 will be going towards my sinking funds account, which is my Revolut, and 84 will be going towards my bills account. So guys, I have a bills account because some things are just easier and I get them cheaper because of the direct debit. So why would I miss out on that? Let's just make sure I have 205 here. So that's 51, 20, 40. So that's 140, 50, 60, 70, 80. That's 180, 5, 10, 15, 20. That's 200. And then I have the coins here, 205. Let me just tidy them away. The first cash envelope that I'm going to be doing is my food. And this week we have gone like crazy. Somebody asked me, do you ever mess up? Well, I'm telling you now, this week has been the mess up of all mess ups. So my food, I have €15 left over. So 15. So what I'm going to do with that €15, before I even stuff anything into it, I'm going to split it between my bulk. I still have flour, guys, so I'm just holding out. So I'm going to put tenner into my bulk envelope. What do I have in there? And this bulk envelope, I know I keep saying every week that I'm going to be stuffing it. Let me see if I could just get that a bit bigger. Yeah, I know I say every week, guys, that I'm going to be stuffing the bulk envelope and stuff, but I'm going to be emptying it and buying stuff. You'll understand why next week. I have something coming and I'll be showing you in probably next week's vlog and me doing all my bits and pieces. Let me get that off my leg there. Yeah. Okay, so that's that right there, guys. So that's my bulk envelope. It has €50 there. Now the Japan envelope, we're a long way off, but I like to see it. It's growing, isn't it? So we have €30 in the envelope for saving for Japan. So we're doing good, guys. I'm happy with those two envelopes. Let's put them to the side over there. And then finally, we have our food envelope, which I'm going to give, I said 50, but no, it's really 40 that's going in. Oh, God. That's €40 going into the food envelope. That one is done. Let's put that to the side as well. Usually put it to the back. The next envelope that we're going to do is... petrol. I'm not going to be doing anything else but petrol. Let's see. Petrol did really good, guys. Remember that the week before I kind of really filled it? I didn't really use a lot of it. So what I have here is still €30 left in the petrol. I am delighted with my life. So I have €30 left in my petrol, and what we want to put in there is another €30. Let's keep it building. I'm finally clicking this one. So I'm going to take 20 out and put 50 in. So then I have 50. And I still have quarter of a tank. I haven't been going anywhere crazy. Like we walk, we take the scooter if we have to do. So that's petrol now. That's €60. I'm really happy about that this week. I'm not happy about a lot of other things, but I'm happy about petrol. Now, children's clothes, we emptied that. Louis got new pair of shoes. We got a few little bits. And then I had to use some of my children's to get some of the clothes as well. So I'm like, some of my children's clothes to get some of my gifts. So I had to use some of that as well. So yeah, children's clothes took a hit and we are empty this week. Can you see it? Empty. So what we're going to do in the children's clothes, I'm going to add €10 in it. That'll keep us going. We'll start back. The whole thing with cash envelopes anyway, they're meant to be. They're not long-term savings. I would put my long-term savings in my sinking funds. But the long-term savings, that's for the sinking funds. That's for your bank account. Your cash envelopes are money that's coming in and out and it's been used regularly. The Japan one is only for a visual for me, so I can remember to always keep stuffing that until I get to a certain point, and then I'll really start taking that totally seriously. Now, house miscellaneous, hit that one as well. I am telling you, Louis' party's coming and I had to hit a lot of envelopes that Haven't been hit. So the house envelope, I got that stuck. Oh, I can't even tell you, but it still keeps going anyway. So the house envelope got €10. That's all good. Now the gift envelopes, guys, you're going to see a little pattern here. That's empty as well. So what we're going to do in the gifts envelope, we're going to add €20 in there. And we'll put that right in there. So that's the gifts, €20. That should be building nicely for Eliza's birthday. So that should be all good. Now Christmas. I have, how much do I have? Yeah, I have €60 in there. So what do we want to put in there? 25. Oh God, can I have any change? I'm trying to really look here. Don't have a lot of change. Okay. So I'm going to put 2 10s and the 5 are in change in here. And that's 25 going in. So now we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. And I told you every week, I only have like what, 25 to go to hit 110. No, I have 35 to go to get to my 120. And this is a good month, so you know the chances are we might just get it. Back to school, I'm putting nothing in it. That's paused until September. So we don't have to worry. I have a 50 here and I'm just kind of subconsciously worried about change. Car maintenance, guys, I usually fill that up here. We have 110 we should have in it. Yep, 5110. But what I'm gonna do is I am gonna be paying some money straight into my sinking fund. So that's why you'd see I changed the color. Rather than having it orange like I usually do, I've changed the color to pink. So €10 is being sent towards my sinking fund. So I'm just taking that for no apparent reason. Now the children's fun envelope, we're gonna put €15 in there. We're ready. And guys, this is a sad one. Look how sad that is. Oh, it's not that sad. Okay, so we have 25 in there now. So there's another 15. We didn't do good. My kids only we went on a hike the other day and they wanted ice cream. So that's 25 in there, guys. Children's fun. Swimming, we're going to put another 15 in there. Let me see how much I have in swimming already. Oh God, I'm actually nervous. We don't have enough change. Okay, we have 60 in there. Give me 1 second. Let me try and swap something around in some envelopes and see if we can make it because we ain't got enough change. Okay, I'm after swapping around some envelopes there. Here we are back. So swimming, we had €60 in there. We want to put another 15 in there. So there is 75 now in there. So it's 50, 10, 20, 5. So 75 altogether. What I'm going to do actually is now swap that out. Give that to that. Sorry guys, I am rushing today. Just because of the week that's in it. I have to start preparing stuff for Louis' party and stuff. And I've left my cash envelopes so late this week again. God. Okay, so that is, but they're done. So now we have self-care then, guys. I think I'm after doing something wrong with the envelopes. And I don't know which one it is. Okay, anyway, let's keep it moving, girl. Okay, so karate, I think I'm after doing something wrong. Did I put the right amount in swimming? I don't know, guys. I'm gonna have to look over this video and try and fix it. The kids are in the room and everything. So karate is 15, so I'm just gonna put 15. So I feel like we're kind of a few weeks ahead with karate, considering it's €15 per week. And Louis literally has next week and then the week after he'll be starting karate. So 20, 30, and 40. That's what's in karate. I did something wrong there. I'll know now with what I have left over. And then we have our self-care fund, guys. The self-care fund is, I have 15 and I have coins. I'll just put that in my purse and then we're going to give that to Percy the pig at the end of the month, aren't we? So that's 15 that I have in my self-care fund and I'm going to put €25 in there. So I have 25 in there. I'm after doing something wrong here. Okay, so panic averted. I just took too much money out of my food envelope that I was trying to make some change with, but it's all figured now. Just so you know, it's like I'm not trying to prove that I make mistakes all of a sudden because I did a whole thing on Instagram about it. Well, it just so happens that this week I'm after messing them up a little bit. So I'm gonna have to go back and see exactly where I've missed out because I knew I definitely had 205 at the start. And I'm trying to think where is even. So I had 15 for the set. Yeah, that's right. So there's 20 missing, and I'm thinking it's something that I've swapped out. Anyway, guys, that's my cash stuffing for the week. I'm gonna have to try and sort this mess right now and go back over the video myself and see what I've missed. But it is what it is. A busy day. The kids are in. The kids are here with me, and this is what we do. Next week, I wish you all the best for the week ahead. And if you can't be anything, be kind. Bye. See you later. Bye bye. Actually, guys, I have to come back and say Montserrat is getting €8 this month. I'm delighted with that. I'd love it to be like €20, but where is that money gone? I don't know.